In this video I'm going to show you how to set up and operate a very basic MIG welder. And this is a very basic MIG welder. First, we'll put the wire on. I'm using 0.6mm wire here. So just, when installing the wire, make sure that the wire is feeding from underneath. So it actually feeds from under here into it. Don't have it feeding down from the top here, create too much of an angle. So make sure that you have it on the right way around so that it's feeding from underneath. Okay, now just put the tensioner on. Okay, now that sets up the tension so that there's not less chance of it bull's nesting on me, right? When I clip this wire here, I still have to hold it underneath. Make sure that you hold it underneath so that it doesn't actually unravel on you. And then I'm going to feed it through this piece of Teflon tube here, in between these two rollers here, and then it'll go into the liner here, okay? Have it in the liner, so just put down the tensioner, the top roller, and tension it up. Okay? Now, undo the tip, 6mm tip or whatever. You use 6 or 8mm on this machine. Wire and tips, just match them. Switch it on. Okay, so that's the wire fed through. Put the tip back on, slide it over it. Put the shroud, the gas shroud back on. Wind the wire back. Right. Now we have the wire set. So now we move to the gas. Now, I'm welding mild steel, so here I'm using argon CO2 mix, okay, so it's got 86% argon and 14% carbon dioxide. There's 110 litre capacity in this disposable bottle. Now it's enough for me for the work that I have to do with it, bit of body work on the cars, and it covers about everything, right? Now the argon CO2 mix, it makes for a cleaner weld than the carbon dioxide itself. You can use carbon dioxide on its own. Carbon dioxide will go further. You get a lot more out of a bottle than you will out of a bottle of this. But it makes for a lovely clean weld. Okay, so we're going to install this now. Just put it here. Put the regulator on top. Tighten that out. Yeah. So now we have the consumables installed on it. Okay, so now let's talk a little bit about the machine itself. Okay, there's three elements to the MIG welder. We have the wire, as you see, going through the liner. Okay, now, as the wire comes out of here, the gas comes out of here, comes out of these little holes here. And this shroud here guides the gas so that it covers, it encompasses the whole weld. So, and it keeps it away from the atmosphere. The oxygen in the atmosphere will oxidize the weld. So that's the principle of it. That's how it works. And here we have the voltage settings on it, right? And that's what creates the arc. So that's basically it. Now the three elements: the voltage, the wire, and the gas. Those, you have to get those three elements right in order to get a decent weld. And with these budget welders, there's little things with them. You have to be sure that you're on top of what you're doing.